What's up, all my fishing people? Welcome back to the channel. And today I've brought old Tim here out of retirement. I banned him from the boat for about 2 months, and now he called me and was like, why haven't you let me come fishing with you? And so I was like, all right, fine, I'll let you come fishing with me. And we're getting a bite right here. Hold it.
There we go. Here it is, folks.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
They were definitely biting on it. But anyway, just wanted to introduce you to the video. We got 4 lines out here on the Tennessee River today. Got skipjack out in the water, and we are trying to break the boat record of 24 pounds, which is my personal best. I don't even know what Tim's personal best is. Since he's on my boat, we're gonna start at 0 though. We're gonna start at 0 again. Boat record's 24 pounds, so let's set some records today. All right, guys. Oh, we got one on here. How long have we been here?
We didn't even get to sit down and drink a Coke. Oh, he come off.
Yep, I didn't have a good hook set.
Oh.
That's all right. That's all right.
Yeah, that's fish on, and that was less than 10 minutes.
Oh, this one had the weight on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, come on, baby.
We're getting some bites on the left rod over here, but he's not taking it yet.
He's a little kitty. Just like a cat.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on. Nope.
Oh, he's back.
Dang it. I was up on the Hiwassee River one day, and it was like the fish was going between 2 rods. Like this one would hit and then that one would hit. It was little channel cats is what we ended up catching, was a small channel cat, but this one would hit and then that one would hit, and we were just like, what? Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it.
Oh yeah, he's good.
What's going to be awesome is I hope that we hook up. I don't think it's real big. I know I hope I don't get crossed up on these lines right here. I'm going to take it under this one, I think. Here it comes. I'm under this one right now. I don't think he's big enough to use the net. I'm gonna guess maybe 8 or 9 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good size. Whoa. Yeah, he looks like about 8 or 9 pounders. How do these babies work?
Open them up opposite.
Okay. Open up, big boy. Oh. I don't know how to work it. Open up. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a beauty. Check him out. That ain't no little fish.
Nope. Did you see him break the thing over?
Yeah, I thought it did break.
Is it heavy?
It's getting heavy. The longer you hold it. We barely hooked. No, he's hooked good.
Here comes the weigh-in. You know we weigh every fish. We got a minus 5 ounces for the grippers, but here it comes. 9 pounds, 11 ounces. So 9 pounds, 6 ounces is the final weight. Leave the grippers on him. I'll take this off.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna let Tim here do the honors of releasing him today.
Yep.
Here we go, guys. We're gonna put him back in the water. Let him swim for another day. I get criticized a lot by letting the fish go. Everybody wants to eat them, but I don't eat fish.
Whoa, baby, he's gone.
See you, bye. We're getting some bites on the outside rod, and I'm about to have to take Tim back to the boat dock because he's been fishing over here and he just about pulled us off anchor because he got his rod hung up, pulled the whole daggum boat over that way, and I had to tell him to quit. But anyways, this rod right here is tapping, but we've been sitting here for a little bit, and I think we're gonna reel in and look for a new spot. Don't go yet.
Right. Wait till I hear the plastic crack.
Wait till the rod hits the motor before you start reeling.
Okay.
But if it does go down, just grab it right here and then just reel down a little bit first, and then
All right.
it's just it's like uncommon, you know. It's not what you're normally used to.
Exactly.
Eat your heart out, Talon Outdoors. Your daddy's about to catch a big one.
Yeah.
Well, shoot. You sure?
Dang, we ain't been here 3 minutes.
We just got the boat. We just got the boat in the water. We just got the boat in the water, Gump.
Exactly. Didn't have fish on.
I know. That thing bent it over, didn't it?
Yeah, it's a...
Hey, I guess he felt that hook and changed his mind.
Yeah.
Dude. This is a good one.
Is it?
Yeah. Maybe. Hey, don't you think I should get a sponsorship from Ozark Trail
Yeah.
for these rod holders with strike indicator?
Exactly. They go, when you got a fish on. Is it good one? Smoke record? Come on, baby. How come it's the outside one that's really nice?
Here, you want to reel it in?
No, you got it.
All right. Oh, no.
Grab it.
There he went.
Oh, he just took off.
No cussing, Gump.
I mean, oh darn. He said the mic wouldn't pick me up, so.
It does.
I think you're pulling the boat.
I think they're tangled up on these two. That's okay though.
Are they?
Yeah. Reel this one in a little bit.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay though.
Oh, that's a big one. Look at that.
Holy
Look at that monster.
moly.
Holy moly.
It's on that
Dang! Look at that thing.
I hope this I hope the scale weighs it.
Oh.
You see where it says open? Yeah.
Okay.
We can get it with the grippers. Get it with the grippers.
Look how fat that thing is, dude. Look at that belly.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, he did the roll on the other line.
Let's see. He did. Oh no. Let's see here.
You think that'll hold him?
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh no.
Oh. Grab the grippers. Man.
Where were you going?
I don't know. I was getting the rod.
Oh, this guy's 30-pounder at least. You need a glove so you can put your hand in his mouth.
We got, this is all around it though. This is that other line, isn't it?
I think so.
Let me just get him with the net. Golly, that,
I don't think that's at all.
freaking tugboat just went by.
Oh.
Here, put his head in here. Put his head in.
I'm trying. I think you're gonna have to grab him.
I think we're having some problems with the.
You ready?
Yeah. Is it heavy?
Nah, he ain't heavy. It's only about 20-something.
Oh no. There, you hold it with this. I'll get the scale.
Okay.
All right, camera's rolling. Let me zero it out here. All right, guys, I got it zeroed out. Let's see. Like a 35 pounds, 11 ounces.
Heck yeah.
Let me zero it out. Hold it up one more time.
Okay.
I'm gonna zero it out one more time. All right, here we go. One more weigh in. 36 pounds, 2 ounces.
36 2 ounces.
All right.
Okay.
It was zeroed on negative 0 point something there.
What was it again?
36 pounds,
2 ounces.
2 ounces minus 5 for the weight of that. All right.
You gotta get a
Here.
picture.
All right.
Okay.
This was heavy, dude.
Damn camera. Oh yeah, it looks a whole lot bigger in my picture.
All right. All right. Here comes the release. All right.
Yeah, boy.
See,
Well, he got in the water and he was happy.
there. Woo!
That's the boat record, I guess.
So 36 pounds,
2 ounces.
2 ounces minus 5 ounces would be 35.11.
35.11.
No.
No.
I'm doing measurements like I'm building a house.
Right.
16 ounces in a pound. So 36 pound, 2 ounces minus 5 would be 35 pounds, 35 pounds, 13 ounces.
Yeah.
Woo!
35.13.
I think we need to go back to math in school. We just set up in another spot. Look at the wind and the waves out here. These bass boats are just chopping up and down. We're like anchored off up this way, but the boat's swinging all the way around. It's ridiculous out here today, so we might have to resort to drift fishing, but I got these lines out that way, but the boat's already swung around this way. So anyway, this is like our 5th spot today. I think we caught the 9-pounder, we caught the 35-pounder, and now I'm trying to put one on the line so I can get my buddy Gump to finally reel one in, so he don't think that I'm just boycotting him on these fishing trips. But anyways, stay tuned. We're just cruising down through here, idling, trying to find a spot to anchor off. It's not cooperating with us. The wind's blowing us harder than the current's working, and I'm gonna show y'all in just a second what we're dealing with. We just had the biggest wave come over the front of the boat. I mean, it soaked everything. But let me see if I can get a good picture of the waves of what we're dealing with here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but when we were going the other way, we just nosed down into one of these waves and it came over the front of the boat. They're not even as bad as they were a second ago. You saw it, guys. Brand new boat record, 35-pound, 13 ounces. Even though Gump didn't get to reel any in, we still had a great day with 2 fish. The wind out there was ridiculous, had about 30 gallons of water come over the front. So we're gonna end it right here at Grasshopper Creek boat ramp. We got some guys coming up out here, so let's go hop in this truck and get out of here and we'll end the video.